We're here at the Super 8 by Wyndham, here in Crossville, Tennessee. We have an impulse hitter ride. That's the entrance there. That was an Nashville machine. Interesting. Might be Dover though. Let's go to 3. There's a system up on the circuit gate. It's fast. Jeez. Nice. Let's go back down to 1. Nashville Machine Elevator Company. Huh. That's why ThyssenKrupp awfully replaced the phone. There used to be a phone box that would open the door. See, ThyssenKrupp. This isn't circuit again. High security. They watched me just to do a review of this wonderful elevator here. There we go. Honestly, this is one of the nicer Super 8 properties step into. Oh yeah. There's no pets allowed. Close the door. Door close when it works. These are the impulse buttons. This is a fast hydraulic elevator. It's 150 feet per minute. Interesting. Manufacturer, ThyssenKrupp. Yeah, this looks way too new for Dover install. Looks way too new. So yeah, this is ThyssenKrupp. There goes the elevator. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it.